Going through a divorce can feel like your world has been turned upside down, but I want you to know that rebuilding is not only possible, it is an opportunity for incredible transformation. Let us walk through a 4-phase plan to help you reclaim your life, one step at a time. First, let us focus on phase 1, stabilize and ground yourself. Right now, even small routines can feel overwhelming. So start by creating anchors. Find a simple morning ritual like a short walk, journaling, or just enjoying a cup of tea with positive affirmations. This gives you a sense of control. At the same time, tackle the practical stuff. Review your housing and finances to reduce that feeling of uncertainty. Do not be afraid to consult a financial advisor or look into community resources. You do not have to do this alone. Surround yourself with people who listen without judgment. Friends, family, or even a support group can make all the difference. Once you feel a bit more stable, it is time for phase 2. Rebuild your emotional strength. This is where you process the grief and turn that pain into growth. Therapy, counseling, or even creative outlets like art and storytelling can be incredibly healing. Practice emotional intelligence by acknowledging your feelings with self-compassion. And remember, boundaries are your best friend. It is okay to limit contact with your ex if it is hurting your healing process. It is also okay to say no to things that drain your energy. Most importantly, celebrate your small wins. Did you cook a nice meal for yourself? Finish a small project? Acknowledge it. Every little bit of progress reinforces your strength. Now for phase 3, redefine your identity and purpose. Divorce can make you question who you are outside of the relationship. This is your chance to reconnect with your passions. Dive into creative projects, spend time in nature, or find something you love to do that reminds you of your own unique strengths. Maybe explore new roles like volunteering or mentoring. Try reframing your story. Instead of thinking, I lost, shift to, I am rebuilding. This narrative is so empowering. It positions you as resilient and strong. This is also a great time to invest in yourself through courses or workshops that can make you feel confident and future-focused. With your identity rediscovered, we move to phase 4, design your future. It is time to get intentional. Set clear goals for the next 1 to 3 years. Think about where you want to be emotionally, financially, and relationally. To support yourself, consider building what I call bridge income, like freelancing or creating digital content while your bigger projects take shape. As you cultivate new relationships, approach them with clarity and self-respect. And finally, adopt a legacy mindset. What do you want to leave behind? This shifts your journey from just recovery to true transformation. To help you on this path, use some practical tools. Track your milestones, emotional, financial, and creative. Create affirmation cards with reminders like, I am resilient or I am building anew. Schedule a weekly reflection to check in with yourself. Ask, what did I learn? What felt heavy? What brought me joy? And find an accountability partner who can offer gentle encouragement. Remember, recovery from a divorce is not a straight line. It is more like a spiral. There will be good days and tough days, but each cycle deepens your resilience. By stabilizing, rebuilding, redefining, and designing, you are not just healing, you are becoming stronger, wiser, and more aligned with your purpose. You are reclaiming your future. As a divorce survivor, I now see life as a choice to evolve or repeat. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more content to support you on your journey.